Are you looking for the best photo printers? In this video we will look at some of best photo printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Canon SELPHY CP1500. The Canon SELPHY CP1500 is a compact photo printer that delivers excellent lab-quality prints with vibrant colors and realistic skin tones, thanks to its dye sublimation technology. Despite its small size, it performs amazingly well. Weighing just 850 g and measuring 182 by 133 by 58 mm, the CP1500 is portable and easy to carry. It prints 4x 6-inch photos in 41 seconds and credit card-sized prints in just 23 seconds. Each print is coded to last up to 100 years, keeping your memory safe. The printer offers several connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB-C, and SD card support, along with compatibility for Apple AirPrint. The 3.5-inch LCD screen lets you operate it without a computer, and the companion app adds advanced editing features. The CP1500 supports various print sizes with an optional adapter, including postcard, L-size, card size, and square labels. Some even come with adhesive backing. The print quality is high at 300 by 300 dpi, delivering smooth gradients and sharp details. Operating costs are also reasonable, at around 32 cents per 4x 6-inch print. Number 4. Liene 4x 6-foot photo printer. The Liene delivers vibrant, high-quality photos through thermal dye sublimation technology that ensures deep color penetration and sharp detail reproduction. This compact printer measures 3.4 by 8.1 by 4.9 inches and weighs 4.2 pounds, featuring both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity options. It can connect simultaneously with up to 5 devices and prints photos in approximately 1 minute per image. The printer includes a 20-sheet paper tray that magnetically attaches to the top when not in use, and each ink cartridge yields 40 prints. The 2022 battery-powered model offers around 40 prints per charge, making it truly portable. While not matching the quality of professional photo labs, the Liene produces durable prints with a protective coating that resists water and scratches. The accompanying mobile app provides basic editing features, filters, and border options for both Android and iOS users. Number 3. KODAK Mini 2. The KODAK Mini 2 delivers exceptional photo quality through its 4-pass dye sublimation technology, producing durable, laminated 2.1x 3.4-inch prints that can last up to 100 years. This compact printer measures just 3 inches by 5.2 inches by 1 inch and connects wirelessly to smartphones via Bluetooth or NFC One Touch. One print takes approximately 90 seconds to complete, layering yellow, magenta, cyan, and a protective coating. The rechargeable battery provides power for about 20 prints per charge, with a 1.5-hour charging time. Users can choose between bordered or borderless prints, with the companion mobile app offering various editing features, including filters and frames. The printer comes with 8 sample sheets, and additional paper/ink cartridge combos are available in packs of 20, 30, or 50 sheets. While print times may be slightly longer than advertised, the resulting high-quality, water-resistant photos make it a solid choice for portable printing. Number 2. Epson Expression Premium XP 7100. This is our runner-up pick and delivers exceptional photo quality through its 5-color Claria Premium ink system, featuring 2 black cartridges for enhanced contrast and 3 color cartridges for vibrant prints. This compact all-in-one printer achieves print speeds of 15.8 ppm for black and 11 ppm for color documents, while producing 4 by 6 photos in just 12 seconds. It offers versatile paper handling with dual front trays, a rear specialty media feed, and CD/DVD printing capability. The 4.3-inch touchscreen provides intuitive control over printing, scanning, and copying functions. The auto-duplexing ADF enables efficient 2-sided document handling. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing support through various apps. While the cartridge yields are relatively low, the print quality rivals that of more expensive photo printers. The 5760 by 1440 dpi resolution ensures crisp text and detailed images, making it particularly well suited for home photo printing. Number 1. KODAK Dock Plus. This is the best photo printer you can buy on the market and delivers high-quality 4x6-inch photos using advanced 4-pass dye sublimation technology that creates vibrant, long-lasting prints. This compact printer measures 6.5 by 2.7 by 3.9 inches and weighs 1.7 pounds without the paper tray attached. It features a convenient smartphone docking system compatible with both Android and iOS devices through included adapters, allowing users to print directly from their phones while simultaneously charging them. The printer can charge 2 devices at once through its dock and additional USB port. Print quality is enhanced through the 4-pass printing process, which applies yellow, magenta, and cyan layers, followed by a protective laminate coating that makes prints water-resistant and smudge-proof. The accompanying mobile app offers comprehensive editing features and 2 printing modes, bordered and borderless. Connection options include direct docking, Bluetooth, and USB thumb drive support. Each print costs approximately 30 cents, making it an economical choice for home photo printing. The printer uses D2T2 thermal transfer technology that produces 24-bit color depth with 16.7 million colors, ensuring accurate color reproduction in sharp detail in every print. So that sums up my top 5 photo printers. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.